All right, let's get warm. I'm starting to regret my idea. Okay, half of me is being boiled alive, half of me is freezing to death, and there's just a little bit of sweet spot. Okay. Oh, I think I've got the temperature dialed in pretty good. That hot water pipe is just a touch too hot, so I got a little bit of that warm waterfall coming in, mixing with it. Just perfect. Between the hiking and the canoeing, I'm a little bit sore. This is nice. Oh. Well, I missed lunch and I'm a bit hungry, so I think I'm gonna have a hot spring snack. So good. Oh, this is nice, but I'm starting to get overheated. Whew. A little lightheaded getting out of that hot water. I don't have any towels, so I'm just gonna have to put on my clothes wet and dry out slowly. Honestly, I don't feel any wetter than I did before I got into the hot spring.